siya kakainin. Nagtampo na si Piranha. Pinakain mo pala si Piranha. Yan o, naglalaro siya o. Oh, masaya siya, masaya. Hindi siya nakain na Piranha. Ito yung pastime ko kapag wala kami masyadong gawa sa office. So, habang pinapanood ko ang mga isda on how they swim, on how they play with each other, I've realized that we can be happy on the simplest thing. Like, we don't need to make things complicated kung pwede naman tayong maging masaya sa mga simpleng bagay, diba? So, all we have to do is to be contented on what we have and appreciate the things around us, the people around us.